Hi, do you know the names of the tools in a toolbox? Let's get started. Do you know what this tool is called? Is this a wrench? Is it a shovel? Or is this a lubricate? This is a wrench. It's used to turn nuts and bolts. And what's this tool called? Is it a handsaw? A roller brush? Or is this a nail? This is a roller brush. You can paint walls with a roller brush. And do you know what this is? Is it a chisel? Or is it a plunger? Could it be a hammer? That's right. This is a hammer. It's generally used to put nails into wood. And do you know what this machine is called? Is it a crowbar? Or is it a drill? It could be a bradawl. Very good. This is a drill. It can drill into walls. And here comes another tool. Is this a chisel? Is it a penknife? Or is this a screw? This is a chisel. Chisels are used to shape woods and other surfaces. And I'm sure you know what this is. Is it a mallet? Or is it a roller brush? Or could it be a paintbrush? Yes, that's right. This is a paintbrush. It's used to paint walls, but it can also be used on paper. And what's this? Is this a hook? Is it a helmet? Or is it a file? Well done! This is a helmet. A helmet is a hard hat which is worn to protect your head. And what's this? Is this a nail? Is it a screwdriver? Or is it a handsaw? Of course this is a nail. Nails are used everywhere and you use a hammer to put the nail into something. Next comes this tool out from our toolbox. Is this a hacksaw? A paint roller? Or is it a handsaw? Very good. This is called a handsaw. You always have to be careful with handsaw, because of their sharp teeth. And out from our toolbox comes this tool. Is this a set square? A screwdriver? Or is it a wrench? This is a screwdriver. Screwdrivers are used to turn screws into or out of something. Do you know what this is? Is this a tape measure? Is this a knife? Or is it a backsaw? This is a tape measure. It's used to measure the length of things. And what's this tool that looks like the letter L? Is this a tack? Is it a drill? Or is this a set square? This is a set square. It's used to draw straight lines. And I'm sure you have this in your toolbox. Is this a pliers? A carpet knife? Or is this a hex key? This is a pliers. It's used for gripping small objects or bending wire. And what's this thing called? Is it a sledge? Or is it a hatchet? Or could it be a pump? This is a hatchet. A hatchet is a small axe with a short handle. And what's this? Is this a handsaw? Is it a hacksaw? Or is this a crowbar? Well done! This is a hacksaw. Hacksaws are used to cut metal. And do you know what this is? Is this called goggles? Or is it a hammer? Could it be a glow, maybe? Yes, very well done. This is a glove. Gloves are used to cover and protect your hands. And what's this strange-looking tool? Is it a clamp? Or is it a hammer? Could it be a pair of goggles? That's right. These are a pair of goggles. They are also called security glasses. They are used to protect the eyes. And what's this? Is this a pliers? Is it a nose cutter? Or is it a nail? This is a nose cutter. What a funny name it has, don't you think so? It's usually used to cut cables, not noses. And finally we have this tool, coming out from our toolbox. Is this a hammer? Is it a sledge? Or is this a wrench? This is a sledge. Sledges can also be called sledgehammers and are used to hit nails and other things. Congratulations! You have finished this quiz. We're constantly uploading new quizzes, so be sure to subscribe. A like would also be greatly appreciated.